Hi y'all, my name's Mikkel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a banana bread chocolate mousse parfait. It's super easy, delicious, nutritious, and the mousse has a secret ingredient. Let's find out what it is. So for this recipe, we're going to start by doing our banana bread first, because it's gotta be in the oven for a while. You're gonna start with 4 large bananas or 5 medium bananas. The riper, the better. Get the ugly ones, because they're sweet, and we want this to be sweet. And we are just going to try to get these as mashed as possible. Easy as that. Such a lovely noise. And this looks nice and disgusting, that's when it's ready. So we got our mashed bananas. It's all one consistency. We're gonna start by mixing in our wet ingredients, but before I mix these in, I'm going to make a flax egg. So this recipe is essentially vegan minus the honey. It is vegan if you use agave instead. So instead of an egg, I use flax eggs. It's essentially ground up flax seeds and water. And when you mix it together, it sits for a little bit and it becomes a nice like gel-like substance, very similar to an egg, and it will bind our bread. So we just mix that together just like that. We let it hang out for a couple seconds. While this is hanging out, I'm going to add in our melted coconut oil, our honey. I'm gonna get every drop because I like this to be sweet. Our egg is hardening up, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that in as well. Almond butter. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix these wet ingredients real quick before we add in the dry ingredients. Make sure that almond butter is nice and dispersed because it does like to clump up sometimes. We have coconut flour here. You can use almond flour. I like coconut flour because it's sweeter. And then I have a ton of chia seeds. Not only are they super healthy, everyone knows about chia seeds by now, it's 2017, but it also will help bind our bread because when mixed with liquid, they create a gel-like substance as well. We have baking soda, nutmeg and peppermint, and then vanilla extract or vanilla paste. And then mix again. You know the drill. Now that this is all together, I have a 10 by 10 baking pan with parchment paper. I'm going to use a spatula and just scoop it in here and give it a nice pat down. It's not the cutest yet, but after it bakes, it should be a-okay. All right, now that this is all spread out into our pan, I have an oven preheated to 350. It's gonna take about 30 minutes to bake, but I'm gonna check a little bit sooner, make sure that middle is baked all the way through. While this is in the oven, we can work on our mousse. My banana bread's in the oven, and now we can make our mousse. If you have picky eaters in the family, keep this on the DL. It's made out of avocados, but avocados are super rich. Take avocados that are as ripe as possible once again, and repeat what we did with the bananas. Delicious. So now that these are all mashed, we get to blend. I love blending because you can't mess it up. Avocados go straight in. Ugh, I have really weak arms. This is canned full-fat coconut milk. This will just make it even creamier and more luscious. Here, you could use cocoa powder. I love raw cacao because it is like cocoa powder, but since it's raw, all the antioxidants are there. Super healthy. Then sweetener of choice. I'm using honey again. Vanilla extract, vanilla paste, and the smallest little pinch of salt. When you do small things, you have to raise the pitch of your voice. It's necessary. All right, we're gonna blitz this. It's looking good. Yes, it's so thick and creamy. I could honestly eat this with a spoon. I'm not gonna think about the calories in it. So we got our mousse. Now we get to put it together, which is my favorite part. So I got the cool banana bread right here. I have a jar. You're gonna have a wide mouth mason jar because it's the same width across as the bottom of it. And we're gonna treat this like a cookie cutter and cut out some circles. So just push it down, give it a twist. You might have to give it a little spanking to get it back out. A very important step is the remains are for munching. And now is the assembly part. So we have our layers of banana bread. We have our avocado mousse. I have some soy-based whipped cream. You can use regular if you want. I have some crushed walnuts and I have some banana coins. We're just gonna get creative and layer this however you want. So I'm gonna start with the banana bread on bottom. Just give it a squeeze down in there. I'm gonna do a layer of mousse. I'm gonna put some banana coins around the edges to make this look pretty. See if we can have luck with this whipped cream. And then some more nuts. And then you just repeat. You can do any order you want. I'm gonna do another slice of banana bread. Some more banana coins. These are good for picnics too. Lunches, breakfasts on the go, and it smells like fall. Some more mousse. And we're gonna top it with some whipped cream. You better look pretty this time because you're gonna be on top. All right, it's as easy as that. You can have fun with the layers, layer it any way you want, pop a lid on this guy, put it in the fridge, and it's ready anytime. You could have it for breakfast, dessert, picnic, car, whatever. Hope you give it a try.